Leah, you need a little encouragement. So let's give you some encouragement. Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Hi. So go ahead.
Oh, I have my 10-month-old with me. She's calm and eating right now, but
welcome. Hi, baby. Children are always welcome. So what do you not like about patent law?
I've found it's frustrating dealing with the PTO because the examiners, the examining attorneys, and the trademark office, they're attorneys, patent office, they're not. They get to do things that legally I have to charge my clients to fight them about. And then I have to relay that information. And I guess I think it was one of the first people talking about it feels like attorneys are incentivized to not do a good job.
Yeah.
Every time I feel like I do a good job, but I feel like every time I have to explain to the client why it's not working, I feel like I'm not doing a good job, even though I did my best.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. So my guess is, Leah, that you really want to help people. And
Yes.
maybe you feel like with the patent law, you're not really helping them.
Yes. Well, and I feel like, so I've been doing it for about 5 years, and it's just not applicable to the average person.
Yeah.
And I have a family, and I feel like that's something I have to separate. When I tell people I have 4 kids, they're like, oh, wow. And it starts a whole nother off-topic conversation instead of adding anything to it. Yeah.
Well, it seems like estate planning is going to be totally different than all of that, because it's, of course, totally tied in with your family, and it's really about helping people and help people and being on the side. Your baby agrees.
Yes.
She says yes. And here's what I want to say about it. There's still going to be frustrations. That's just life, you know.
Yeah.
Frustrations exist in life. And so what we want is the why of what we're doing. And I'm just going to mute you for the background noise. What we want is the why of what we are doing to be bigger than the frustrations, so that even when the frustrations come, we can soothe the part of ourselves that is frustrated, just like we would one of our children, and be like, oh, I hear you, you're frustrated. It's okay. It's okay to be frustrated. And we're going to keep going. We're going to keep moving forward because we want to help people in the community, because we have a great revenue model and a great business model to be able to do that. So when those frustrations come up, we are going to keep moving forward. We're going to make that next investment of time, energy, attention, or money, because we can see that what we're building is something that is good for our family. It's something good for us. It's something good for the community. And so what you're going to want to do, Leah, is get really clear about your goals at a few different points in time, so that you can celebrate when you get there. Because if we have just this like really big goal, let's say that you have a goal to have $1 million law practice. There's going to be probably 20 different, this might be an overestimation, but there could be 20 different times that you want to quit for different reasons on the way to a $1 million practice, right? And so you have to have rest stops, smaller goals along the way, that when you hit those goals, you're able to celebrate. You're able to take a moment of rest where you can gather your strength and your resources for the next step, so that not any single one of those frustrations that comes up is going to stop you.